Shop Oldsmobile here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1971 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme Convertible, powered by a numbers matching 350 Olds Rocket V8 underneath the hood. That's paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 350 to be exact, and also nicely equipped with power steering, power brakes, factory AC car. Let's take a look at the headlight surrounds, front grille, bumper. Paint coat of 75, Matador red, and as you can see, the red has a nice shine to it. Black vinyl interior. Take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. That'll take you right to our website where you can check out all the still pictures, information on this car. You can call us too, 507-386-1726. Riding on the Oldsmobile Rally Style wheels, BF Goodrich radials. Let's take a look down this passenger side. Panels nice and straight. And once again, you can see paint has a nice shine to it. Shows well. You may find a very small little touch-up or imperfection here or there. But again, don't get me wrong, this car shows well. Fun one for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows, or just going out with that top down black vinyl top, power top. We're going to check that out here at the end of the video also. Show you the condition of that. In the still pictures, you'll be able to see this car, the top up and top down, pictured both ways. And like I said, underside trunk interior. Well over 100 pictures of this car online. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. See the chrome in the rear bumper, dual exhaust. It does come with a parade boot, convertible top cover, guess which you'd like to call it. It needs to get out in the sun, get soft, get pliable. Unfortunately, right now, I'm unable to get it out in the sun where it's warm enough and do that. So just want to let you know it will go with the car, put it in the trunk. Also want to remind you, you like Oldsmobiles, you like muscle cars, specialty vehicles, pickups, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you might come across as far as the videos that we do. A few done each day here at UniqueClassicCars.com. Summertime rolls around, it really gets busy. Like I said, some cool cars. You like looking at cars, go ahead and subscribe. As we take a look down the driver's side, and again, nice shine, luster, that paint. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. You can see rear seat belts intact. Looks like the seats are free of any rips, tears, anything major. On the rear seat, I did notice we have a little bit of, almost just a light cracking up front. I wouldn't be surprised if that's the original interior, judging by the vinyl, kind of the age of it. Door panels, looking good. Now, I mentioned earlier, power brakes, power steering, numbers matching, Rocket 350, and an original AC car. Compressor kicks on and off. I've had that work for me. Also, kind of a throwback here. Say that's early 80s maybe. Sanyo AM FM cassette. The AM FM radio part works. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Wipers work, by the way, too. Did have that go earlier. Do one swipe with them. There you go. You can see that powered up and is working. Take a look at the top of the dash. There's one crack in it. Slip around to the back seat here. That's run. Good sounding car again. Rocket 350. Ooh, listen to that. All right, let's slip up to the front. Let's get this hood open. Check out that engine bay. Also, want to remind you, stick around to the very end of this video. we're going to take this car for a ride, put the camera in it, and take you for a virtual ride, if you will, so you can see how it goes down the road. So let's hang on for the engine, we'll check out the top, and then take it for a ride. There's a look at the underside of the hood. Clean and tidy. And how about that engine bay? We'll have a picture of that stamping from the block too, so you can see it matches the VIN. Again, original engine of this car. Look at how smooth that thing runs. And also listen how smooth that runs. Again, factory AC car. Belts hooked up. I had the compressor kicking on and off. It's like a newer radiator. There has been some other service work done on this. I know it has a new battery, rear brake shoes and wheel cylinders, new wiper motor, fuel sending unit, all recent service work that was done. Get in and drive it, have some fun. All right, let's go ahead. I'm going to power up this top, and we'll check out the top. So let's hang on a bit again. There you saw the top function as it should. Let's take a look at condition. Nice fit above the windshield. Not really noticing any rips, tears, holes. I did roll up the side glass, so you can see how that fits. It's like a tight fit. These could be fastened a little bit better, that finishing strip, but how many times are you going to drive this car with the top up? Glass rear window, nice and clear. Around to the passenger side. Again, I've not noticed really anything for rips, tears, or holes. Black vinyl top, looks like decent shape. Take a look at the side glass and the passenger side, also fits well. Back above the windshield. Looks good to me. 1971 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme, numbers matching. Oldsmobile Rocket V8 underneath the hood, nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, AC. Remember, we're still going to take this car down the road. Watch how it dries out. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pictures. 507-386-1726. Number to call. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1971 Oldsmobile Cutlass. This is a convertible. We do have the top up today. Red with a black top. Black interior with some wood grain. Very nice 1971 styling. Turn signal indicators are working. Fuel gauge is showing 1/8 of a tank. Speedometer seems to be working. Nice firm shifts from this automatic transmission. Blower motor works, the heat works. We have a Sanyo radio in the dash. That does work. Mostly stock appearing. Bench seat in this car. Column shifted automatic. Nice smooth Oldsmobile ride. Power steering working well. Window is not bad at all. For a convertible from the 70s, it's pretty quiet. Power brakes working very well. There is a tick-tick coming from the speedometer, but it appears to work properly. corners well. The car's not leaning too much in the corners. Put that throttle down. Nice firm shift again, and the kick down is working well in that automatic transmission. Very comfortable ride. Mostly stock looking, in my opinion. Oldsmobile Cutlass convertible from 1971. Learn more about this car, take a look at the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.